Have you ever heard of decimalism? Live with your fingers, live with your toes, count them. That's all the signs of decimalism. Well, decimalism, or decimal system for the simpler version, is a universe that is built up from 9 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not 10, because 10 is composed of 0 and 1. There are various signs of decimalism around you. For example, your GPA, your SAT 1 score, or your SAT 2 SAT subject score. Today, we're not talking about the word of decimalism, kind of the normal world that we're living in, but I'm trying to introduce you about another word that in that word we have 2 fingers, 2 toes, but your GPA was still 10. Welcome to the world of the computer. Welcome to the world of binarism. Well, both of the word decimalism and binarism use numbers to construct everything. However, unlike the word of decimalism, binary word only use 2 numbers, 0 and 1, to construct other things in that world. It is obvious that human invents computer. Therefore, the word of binarism must originate from the word of decimalism. Thus, there must be a way of communication between 2 worlds. For a simple example, you can convert a decimal number to a binary number, and given a series of 0 and 1s, I can construct an image by drawing pixels. However, communication is much more complicated, such as how to translate the term I love you into computer language. Nonetheless, you can mess up with the forever alone people very easily by using the code 01. 0 here mean you're nothing to your crush, and 1 mean you are forever
alone.
If you want to learn more about computer communication, let's wait for the future series of programming tutorial opened by Hanoi Civil War. For now, I have to go to sleep because I'm so tired. Thanks for listening and watching. Have a nice day. See you later.